Hello, this is Richa Dikshit. If you really want to improve your English and you don't have any partner to practice this language, then this video is especially for you. Maybe you can't join any online and offline classes because the reason is it costs money and simply you don't have enough time. And I have a solution for you. There is an application where you can connect your co-learners or English learner to practice this language together. And the best part is it's free. And in this video, I show you how to use this application and how do you introduce yourself when you connect your co-learner. And I want to tell you that I have also been using this application, and this application has been game changer for me. The name of this application is PearUp application. So make sure you watch this video very till the end. You can see this is the logo of PearUp application. You simply has to press the start searching and you can find your perfect partner, and the application searching for you the partner. And here you can see the your co-learner, but he disconnect the call, and again the application finding the perfect partner for you. Here you can see the name of the co-learner name is Charan, and he is study in college and he from Andhra Pradesh. And about the Charan, he is preparing for exam. And if you simply disconnect the call, you have to disconnect the call, and if you are start calling, so you have to start human calls. And if you are use this application for free version. Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good
How are
morning.
you?
Yeah, I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, I am also good. Where
Okay.
are you from?
I'm from Kanpur.
Kanpur. Okay. Okay. What do you do? Are you a student? Are you doing
Okay,
job? What do you do?
okay, I think first need I introduce myself, so all about clear, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So as you know, my name is Ayushi and I am a homemaker and mother too, as well as I am a tutor and I have completed my masters with mathematics, and I have been a teacher in degree college and I taught BSc student mathematics. But recently I am not joining any school and college because the first reason is my child is young. So sometimes I keep thinking I want to improve myself. So in order, I'm install this application and nowadays I'm learning this language, rectify my mistake and polishing myself. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Nice introduction. So,
Thank you.
are you a homemaker and as well as you are teacher?
Yeah.
Okay. So, basically, what do you teach? In English
N-
or
no,
other subjects?
mathematics. Actually, this time I'm only learning this language, so I
Mathematics.
am a learner. And yeah, my main subject is mathematics, and I have completed my masters with mathematics.
Okay. Okay. Good. So, where do you teach? In private school or government school?
No, I used to teach in degree college and private college.
Okay. Private college.
Yeah.
Nice to have.
If you
Okay.
are writing, reading, listening, and there are only four aspects: listening, writing, reading, and the speaking. So I have
Yes.
no too much time to follow all the four aspects. So definitely I follow only two aspects: listening and the speaking. In my initial day I only follow two aspects, but sometimes ago I inculcate the habit of the writing also, and some 1 month I'm also reading, inculcate the habit of the reading also. Sometimes whenever depend on the time, only whenever I get a time, so definitely I follow four aspect. But most of the time I follow on the two aspect: listening and the speaking.
Okay, okay. Listening and speaking. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
also doing same thing,
yeah.
listening and speaking.
Yeah,
So,
and most of the time
that's only
80% I am listening, because suppose that if you are listening something, so you can do simultaneous work, and suppose that while I am doing my kitchen work, so definitely I am listening a lot, because you can start your phone and listening, and simultaneously doing, you can do your kitchen work also. So definitely I follow all the whole day, I'm listening a lot, because most of the time I'm busy with my kitchen, so that time I use this time and provide this time to listening. And whenever I got a
okay.
free time, so I'm using this application, and you can see this application is very easy to use, and the best part is this application is absolutely free, and you can use this application anytime. Whenever you get free time, you can simply open your application and start calling for your partner. And you don't need to spend a lot of money to expensive English classes. And you don't even need to wait for someone to practice with. You can simply open your application, PearUp application, find a partner and start practice with your partner. You can talk about your daily routine, your habits, your family members, your work, and even and any topic you like. And believe me, friends, the more you practice, the faster you will learn. And consistency is the key. Suppose that if you are practice 20 to 30 minutes a day, you can see a big change over the time. So my suggestion is you must try this application, and I have personally been using this application, and this application has been game changer for me. And if you want to make a full conversation video on PearUp application, I will make soon. I hope this video must have been useful for you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.